students, how are you all? I hope you all are enjoying at home and you are safe and fit at home. In last class we did page number 7 and 8. Today we will do page number 9 of your GK book, and this chapter is related about some birds. The chapter is World of Birds. Read what the birds are saying about themselves. Write their names with the help of the clues given below. First is, I am smallest bird. This bird is the smallest. I am 3 to 4 inches long. Only 3 to 4 inches long. And the name of this bird is hummingbird. It's hummingbird. HummingBird. Children, this is hummingbird. Humming, hummingbird. BIRD, bird. Next is, I am the strongest bird of prey, capable of hunting and killing. I am the strongest bird of prey, capable of hunting and killing. And this bird is harpy eagle. HARPYEAGLE. Children, this is harpy eagle. HARPYEAGLE. Harpy eagle. Children, next one means third one is, I have longest wingspan. I have longest wingspan of more than 12 feet. More than 12 feet. This is albatross. ALBATROSS. Children, this is albatross. 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 Children, next one is, I am largest flightless bird. I am largest flightless bird native to Africa. And the name of the bird is ostrich. OSTRICH. It's ostrich. Next one is, I am the most colorful bird. I am one of the most colorful bird. I am a large yellow, blue and red parrot. And the bird's name is scarlet macaw. Scarlet, SCARLET, scarlet macaw, MACOW. It's scarlet macaw. Next one is, I am the most poisonous bird. I am the most poisonous bird, having poison in my skin and feathers. Having poison in my skin and feathers. Children, the bird is pitoyui. Pitoyui. It's pitoyui. PITOHUI. Children, next one is, I am most dangerous bird. I am most dangerous bird. My kick can cause massive bleeding. My kick can cause massive bleeding. And the name of this bird is cassowary. CASSOWARY. Children, this is cassowary. 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 And the next one is, I am tallest flying bird. I am tallest flying bird of the world. From the whole world, this is the tallest flying bird. Children, the name of this bird is crane. CRANE. It's crane. Students, now we will see the pictures which we have studied. First picture is of hummingbird. Look at the picture. This beautiful bird is hummingbird. Can you see this picture? This is harpy eagle. Harpy, harpy, eagle, Eagle, eagle. See the third picture? This is albatross. Albatross. Look this picture carefully. Next one is ostrich. Ostrich. This bird is ostrich. See this bird? This beautiful bird is scarlet macaw. This is scarlet macaw. Scarlet Macaw. Look at this picture. This is Pitohui. Pitohui. This is Pitouhui. Pitohui. And this next picture is of cassowary. Cassowary. See this picture carefully. This is cassowary. This is crane. 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 Okay children, do this page number 9 in your book and learn these birds. Thank you and have a nice day.